What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again, and it is new knife day once again. This time it's a Kizer. Don't know what's all over the box, just some tape residue, but this is one I've been wanting for quite some time, and to be honest, mainly because of the name. But this is the Kizer Rogue. That's just one of my favorite words, and it's a pretty cool design. It was on super sale from Blade HQ. I think it was like $82 or something. Dirk Pinkerton design, S35VN blade with a titanium handle, 3-inch blade. So let's do a little quick unboxing here. I'll give you guys some specs and we'll get it into the carry rotation. I think this is my first Kizer. I may have checked out a few, but I don't think I've ever owned one. So I have to go into the archives there to figure that out. All right, let's get this thing open. Very cool presentation, nice box. Ooh, comes in a pouch as well. What we got here? Just a cleaning cloth and some warranty information, I'm sure. All right, let's get to the knife. That's what we're here for. Digicam pouch, that's not bad. Presentation's going very well for them. Kizer seemed to be a really big name when we first came around, we knives. And I don't know if they've kind of fell off or they're just not as popular, but this is one I've been wanting for a long time. Oh, this is very cool. Ooh, that is smooth. Look at that Wharncliffe blade. Okay, let's give you guys a quick spec rundown. 7.125 inches overall, 3-inch blade right on the dot. And your blade thickness is a hefty 0.16 inches. That is a thick blade stock on that guy. CPM S35VN steel. You can see there, Kizer logo. Thumb stud action. There's Pinkerton's design marker there. Rogue written on the side in kind of a ridiculously boring font. Stonewash finish on that. Looks like a hollow grind on there. I don't know, that might be flat. Your handle length, 4.125 inches. And then your weight, 3.92 ounces with a handle thickness of 0.45 inches. Looks like it's riding on some sort of caged bearings. Very open construction, only 2 standoffs. And obviously a frame lock that is titanium. It's very smooth, obviously a satin finish with those kind of black lines running throughout. It's got a black border that's chamfered all the way around and some inset jimping, which is not extremely useful. I'm not sure if that would be, you had some gloves on or if this got a little wet. It's a very smooth knife overall. Little slippery, but it's just a perfect size for EDC carry. I mean, it's right in that medium range, and then we all know how awesome Wharncliffes are for opening boxes and the vast majority of EDC tasks. Let's check that lockup. Pretty early lockup there. Let's see. Very solid. Looks like it has a lock bar insert with a slight over travel stop. That's good to see. Very good blade centering. That is writing on glass. It is so absurdly smooth. Kind of that cool detailed pivot there. It looks like a cyclone or something. The detent's a little soft, but it's so smooth. I just don't think I could get this to fail if I had to really try to make that not actually open and lock up. This is a very interesting knife. I might be going back to Kizer. They got some cool designs. And lastly, we got kind of a off-the-wall color, a very light blue. I don't know what that pocket clip is made out of. It's not extremely stiff like a lot of the titanium ones are, but it definitely could be. And it's interesting. I got Blade HQ's site up here in my phone, and look at that pocket clip compared to this one. I'm kind of glad I got this one. That one's a little gas station looking for me, so I'm kind of glad they went with this one. I don't know if that's a recent update or if I got an older model or what, but I like this one a lot more. So that is the Kizer Rogue. Cannot wait to start carrying this one. Very cool little design. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, have fun with your knives.